International Human Rights Day 2015 observed across Manipur today. 3-day notice Indigenous Peoples Parliament begins. It will deliberate on challenges faced by indigenous people. And the first Indigenous Games Festival of Manipur kicks off at Manipur University's hockey field. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laithangmo Monica with the top stories. Human Rights Day was observed in various parts of the state today. The date was chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation on December 10, 1948 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR, the first global enunciation of human rights and one of the first major achievements of the new United Nations. Human Rights Initiative HIR observes the United Nations Human Rights Day at Thangapat Mapal Palace compound. Speaking at the event, former District and Sessions Judge L. Birendra Kumar said the law has become an indispensable part in a man's life. He maintained that it is necessary that everyone understands the law to protect one's rights. The former judge expressed concern at people demanding their rights while neglecting their duties. He stressed the need to follow the rules of law by the people. He said, if people follow the rules, law will automatically protect them.
I am the way for not to be I am the book of Nawell. Masika Sasta Highly, Drama Raksati Raksita. I couldn't drama to Nabudi, Drama Doku Nai. Remember, I am working Nabudi, I am the book of Naganev. I couldn't I am the Pronounced without them. I could get I am the Sinasi, I look at listening to see young my Davana. Mob justice on the way. Mob injustice, they must be mob justice that they had to be my Taba. Grown much the Hatopa. Masih masih air lagi mas. Me the punishment people do. Aku in PMC law on the PNC.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority observed the day at the Conference Hall of District and Sessions Court, Imphal East at Uripok Cherab Court. Director of Prosecution, judicial officers, senior and junior advocates and paralegal volunteers took part in the observance. Senior advocate Kaidemani spoke on the human rights at the event.
China, Taiwan, sida particular university, Taiwan, the right to self-determination, se pide dominema, ilan leadership nami. Jammu Kashmir se, Manipur se, wana teki to kaya ta, kata bani self-determination, pide dominema, kaya ko tanya di, mati no, kaya. Malam na ICC dia ada posko kate awi ba, kahan ba artikel, mati di, ekung terima, aku right to self-determination, kata bani na right to self.
Committee on Human Rights COHR also observes the day on the theme Our Rights and Our Freedom at Manipur Press Club. Faculty of LMS Law College and Promote COHR Chairman Pholindro Konsam, AMJU President Wangkemcha Siamzai and AMUKO President Y. Mani Kuman were among the attendees. Dr. Dhanabir Lashram said people must fight for their rights and freedom. COHR Chairman Pholindro Konsam maintained that while many nations in the world are celebrating the day as a festival, the people of Manipur do not even have the right to life.
Manipur Miyam right to self-determination say Namthar Namidangta Tuan ba law Mayam Tik Matata Yam special gift na armed forces special correct mag haning on them the Haliba Tuan mo Mayam to say Masisu high international human rights days the Quaki human right Barison Topaki human rights institution Mayam sing say focus Dorga Miyam te Hena Nasi Aquashim Piam the Hingi Hypaki Aduma focus sama Manipur Miyam sing that Pina Nabaki Adumba Numidamani Tanzaman and Lozaraga Badunsu Kitan quite focus Pizavan.
Sharmila Kanbalub Sakal also observes the International Human Rights Day at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound. United Committee Manipur UCM Vice President Sunil Karam, Sharmila Kanbalub Convener Soibom Momon Leima, members of several Merapaibis Association participated in the event. Sakal Convener Soibom Momon said many lives have been lost in the hands of the security personnel and many women have been violated and killed by the security personnel under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA in Manipur. She lamented that the government has failed to listen to people's voice and ignored the demand of Iromchanu Sharmila, who is on fast for the last 15 years after the Malom incident in which several innocent people have been shot dead by the security personnel.
Amuba ainji lokthok triba phau aikhoigi ningtamba purakpa haiba aikhoigi leibak asigi damakta aikhoi karamba anauba solution lama purakpa ngamba haiba se masina lokthok ti bhaudi masi ngambagi pamphai si sodongna leiroidra haiba wafam dina thamjaningi bati aikhoi leiriba manipur sarakana punamak se ayabamgi manungda aronba lalong amagi makhoina india ga lalong ama sinariba marakchida adugumagi lalong do pajamiyam na khangi pajamiyam na ui sing amasung tamda kungda leiriba kodemana ui khangi haiba se ngasigi sarkar sina tagada.
Center for Human Rights and Duties Education, Manipur University, observed the International Human Rights Day on the theme Our Rights, Our Freedoms Always. Retired IAS RK Nimai, deans of different schools, teachers and students of the university took part in the observance.
Violation of human rights continue to take place in a large scale in most of the countries of the world, including India. The Armed Forces Dismissal Power Act 1958 is still in force in Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir. The very act is one of the fertile grounds for the violation of human rights. AFSPA clearly violates international law too.
The day was also observed at GP Women's College and organized by GP Women's College Women's Cell. The day was observed at the conference hall of the college. Former member of Manipur State Commission for Human Rights Yambem Laba, principal and president of the Women's Cell Y. Chandrasakhi, advocate C.H. Momon and Dr. T.H. Umabati spoke on women's rights, sexual harassment and the protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act. Panel discussion on speedy justice in relation with crime against women and children was held today at Casa Grande. The discussion was held in connection with 16 days of activism against gender-based violence from November 25 to December 10. The panel discussion was jointly organized by various organizations including Women Action for Development, Conflict Widow Forum, Notice Dialogue Forum, United NGOs Mission Manipur. The panel discussion aimed to sensitize the public to the increasing crimes against women and children in the state, identify the gaps and challenges in delivering justice to the victims, pressurize the authority concerned to fulfill the gaps, and to struggle together with the people to develop a strategy for speedy investigation, speedy trial, and speedy conviction. Speaking on the discussion, Secretary of United NGOs Mission Manipur Urikibam Nobakishore highlighted the violation of human rights under Armed Forces Special Powers Act in the Notice region. He said Operation Bluebird, which was conducted in 1987 at Oinam village in Senapati district, was in violation of human rights.
Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 in a choba madugi saiting B. Akoi Manipur dana khwaidi hena sathiba tamthina chathagiba Operation Bluebird miron bi nupi ani Sipai mayam gi mamangda angan ohunba angan non-violence, that is extremely inhuman. Aduga masi human gi history da yawdo potom. Aduna Bharat ka Manipur ga lainaba marida sigumba ot khiba mayam singse masi khak kuin mutat pangamaroi. Aduga nupi mayam bo force labor roina. Sipai mayam gi pi shuan ba sing thian ba ising shuan ba mogi chakum shangan ba chak thon ba injang chaman ba mayam se sathari se tha mari chukni sathari.
3-day Notice Indigenous Peoples Parliament began today at Imphal. Attended by representatives of 7 Notice states, the 3-day parliament will deliberate on challenges faced by the indigenous people of the Notice states and take a collective resolution of the issues. The parliament is jointly organized by Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Manipur, Assam Samilita Mahasangh and Assam Meitei Apunbalub Amal at Kumanlampak Kangsang. Former president of Tangkhul Nagalong Stephen Angkang and former principal of DM College Science Dr. D.A. Sharma, several prominent persons from Notice states, representatives of civil society organizations, student bodies took part in the discussion. Coordinator of Notice Indigenous Peoples Parliament, Ningthauja Lancha, said the indigenous people of the northeastern region have been facing a number of challenges for hundreds of years. He said the people now face the impact of migrants, problems including economy, education, violation of human rights, etc. Ningthauja Adlancha added that the parliament aims at understanding the numerous problems facing the people of the Northeast and resolving them to protect their various ethnic communities.
Awang Nungpok Lamdamgi Apunba platform ama semakanda Naga Kuki Maitei Natraga Aikogi Sida Ladiba Tokai ba Karvi Dimasa Kasi Garo Haidana Kaidopagi Mahuta Aikogi Marakta Ladiba horizontal conflicting ase Aikogi Itakta Ladiba vertical conflicting ase Uro Matunda Aikoi Masengi Marakta Apunba Pangalama Sagalakpa Ngangani Habigi Achetpa Pandam Dugal Loinana Haidiba Canaba Singase Pamin Narakanda tribe to tribe Natraga Purupamaga Purupamagi Marakta Kanagumba third party is in a Kanana Oigataga Habida Awang Poki Apun Bamiam or Kanda Koimasing Marakta Apunba Pangalama Sagalapangangatra Habigi Ahan Bakutmaba Manipur chapter Dungasi Koina Hogjabani.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President and Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam has stated that the BJP is a party which works under the direction of the RSS. Speaking at one-day Youth Congress conference organized by Bishnupur Block Youth Congress Committee at Ningthaukhong Khamamang Multipurpose Indoor Stadium, the Deputy Chief Minister accused the BJP of being a communal party which speaks one thing and does something else. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthausam, PTA Chairman T. Mangibabu, Parliamentary Secretary YAS and Tourism M. Prithviraj, Kumbi MLA S. Bira also took part in the conference.
Anti-secularism, anti-unity in diversity, as we call it. Tumsa Takwa Tangamay, what Tangamay, Akromay. Madhuba Akromanado, my Tiruman. Za Sapsu Keneba, Dhanam Keneba, Magi Keneba, Mayam, unity in diversity, heaven. Keneba Mayam, Nushisan,
BJP Manipur Pradesh has announced the first list of candidates for the 18 municipal councils and 8 Nagar Panchayats to be held on the 11th of next month. The list of the first phase includes 174 names. BJP Manipur Pradesh State General Secretary M. Ashni Kumar said the list for the 9-ward Lamlai Municipal Council and Imphal East will be announced in the next 2 or 3 days. He said the election will be fought on the theme Support BJP Save Manipur.
Democracy, grassroots democracy, yamna maru ibasumba election asida Bharatiya Janata Party na soidanamaki koi mai pakane haiba thajaba wafam akoina thamjari aduga loina handaki mikhal asi Bharatiya Janata Party gi oina koi state ki leader sing amasung national leader sing tandraga koi slogan amagi makhada koi election asi thengnagani support BJP aduga save Manipur haiba slogan asi makhada koi mikhal si thengnana koi sem sari.
A team of police led by Moreh Additional Superintendent Moirang Them Mobi halted Lagao and seized Lagao dice from parts of Moreh town this evening. Additional Superintendent also ordered the security personnel on 24-hour duty in Moreh town to prevent such gambling. A worker of Keystone Infra Private Limited at Longlaiban under Khopum Police Station in Tamenglong District was injured when he was shot at by 2 unknown persons. The injured is identified as Umakanta from Assam's Kasar district. He operates the excavator of the company. The incident occurred this morning around 10:30. He is admitted to Janims Hospital. Three KCP cadres, including a BJP member, were arrested by a team of Commando Imphal West, led by Inspector P. Sanjoy Singh, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West, TH Bikram Jet, near Renault's showroom at Oripok, Koisnam Lekai. One of the arrested persons is identified as Hanjabam Dineshwar, 35 years, son of late H. Jiteshwar Sharma of Brahmapur, Thangapat, Mapal. Sources said during interrogation he revealed that he had come to meet his commander Rajmani at Eastern Gate of DM College. A Suzuki Access scooter with registration number MN06SA2289 and one driving license issued in the name of Hanjabam Dineshwar was recovered at the spot. Following his disclosure, Rajmani was also detained with a Hero Honda motorcycle. One mobile phone, 2 SIM cards were recovered from him. Rajmani is an active cadre of KCP and is son of late S. Chauba Singh from Mayang Imphal Kokchai Mamang Lekai. He confessed that he shot one non-local at Sagolban Bijoy Govinda on April 19 this year. The gun used in the shooting was also recovered from the house of Oinam Chitan Kumar of Oripok Taurambam Lekai. The police team has also raided the house of Khundrapam Kanba Maitei of Tauthang Kunau Lamsang and arrested him. It is worth mentioning here that Kanba Maitei is the secretary of BJP Sports Cell. Impact News sources said Kanba Maitei will contest in the upcoming assembly elections. The 3 arrests were made following a tip-off by 24 Assam Rifles. When contacted, BJP Manipur Pradesh said BJP Sports Cell was abolished last year and the party does not have a sports cell at present. People took out a rally in headquarters Chandel today protesting the state cabinet decision to include 4 tribal villages in the proposed Suknu SDC circle and concept paper on anti-erosion and flood control scheme submitted by MI department. The rally was organized by Anal Naga Tangpi, Anal On Chiefs Association, Anal Land Rule Tangpi and Anal Sinul Rule. President of ANTA Victor Koring criticized the state government for its attempts to include Chandel tribal villages in Thoubal district. Residents of Lamlongai Saban Lekai under Lamsang police station today held a public meeting against a case filed by 7 residents of the Lekai in the court. The said 7 persons have approached the court asking for their share in the properties of the Lekai as they wanted to be separated from the Lekai. They have asked for their share of the agricultural fields and playground. The meeting resolved that the 7 persons should withdraw their case and cannot claim the property of the Lekai.
हाने नुसी चाना मै लेमिना छि नखोय केस हन्तो अदुग नखोयगी सि सुमाइना प्रॉपर्टी पिबा खोटफा जे हार कनो नोय तोंगाना ताखरमनि अदु चंगा ग नुसी चाना लेमिना जे हायरे अदु मसिदे यादबा थोदि खुन्न सावरपा खुन्न ताबो वारेतो मोय मसा मसा अफबदा दायित्व मसा मसाना लौजगदुनि हाइबि दमता मखोयदा खोयना वार्निंग पिबा लाखजबन.
The roads from Bamon Lekai Sangai to take to Mangzil and Takhel Khong in Yai School constituency was lying in a deplorable condition due to which locals including commuters are facing various kinds of problems. The locals informed Impact News that they have requested the local MLA many times to repair the roads but till now they are lying in the same condition. The locals then approached social worker Ningombam Helendro for help. From today, repairing of the roads have begun with the help of Ningombam Helendro. Stones are spread on the roads, JCB and road rollers are also used for repairing the road. On the other hand, locals have appreciated and thanked Ningombam Helendro for the gesture.
Lambel asi kuina matang kuina sangna satpada nungaitana kulatong mayam leidana gari mayam si yam nungaitana leiramane do MLA na mata sebidra hana wo yingbidra commissioner sungaida man sungaida amta yingbida badu oiramnina akoina masi yam thuna waka saraga akoina ngalang sumai tawdana lakpa sidi Helendro sida akoina haijaraga masi kutak tawsik la sembi basi akoina yam taga sari yam nungaije.
A cleanliness program was carried out at Lamlong Kaitel in connection with the 76th Nupi Lal Ningsing Thauram. Initiated by Kanglei Economy Development Organization KEDO, the cleanliness program was carried out jointly by women vendors and representatives of IMC Ward number 23. Women vendors appealed to the IMC to provide dustbins in Kurai Lamlong Market. More than 100 KEDO volunteers took part in the cleanliness drive.
Hapu ko thong na ba hojik ya amatang gari amatang tha na ba da sapin ama khatang ne tawraga maning thang ba sa sida thambiraga koi gi lamdu sikra masana ne mot pa jata sumaina tawba sidi lamong khaden gi asong mot pa sidi secondary bani lam tu puna mak bajana khwai mako erasu khadela sina mai ga isu na ba lai ba mapam jida asong mot pa sidi ma tawpham khang da na ngau ba jani adu isa sing la ga sengtok pirap sei ma thong na harau gare.
The 46th Sword Play Competition for Creative Directors 2015 began today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Yai School, Police Land. The competition is jointly organized by Theatre Centre, Manipur and Manipur State Kala Academy, and 9 theatre groups are participating in the competition. A souvenir for the 46th short play competition was also released today. On the first day, Kanglei Living Art Manipur Uchiwas Punsi Laibak Amadi Tunglamchad was shown. As part of the competition, plays of various groups will be shown till the 14th of this month. Winners will be presented prizes on the 15th of this month.
Manipurda Kala Sanskriti Maitila Changan Sri Abiki either Tom Yao Masana dedicated or in the Torapon Hatani, Shadi Saputo Hatani, Karadi, Mayo Namadi, direction Namadi Lapa Hore, Loje, Masida, Miami Corporation Shazok Susani, stakeholders, Kusham Naraga, I think we have to bring about some sort of a culture evolution. For a country in the near future, we have to be successful. We will be successful.
Vanya Jawang was crowned Miss Orange Queen 2015. The beauty pageant was held as part of the 12th edition of the state-level Orange Festival at Lower Ground, Tamenglong on Wednesday. Vanya Jawang is from Tamenglong, currently staying in Dimapur, Nagaland. He is a teacher by profession. While the first runner-up went to Soraisam Devjani from Uripok and second runners-up went to Sylvia Konsam from Dimapur. Cash prize of 1 lakh rupees was awarded to the winner and 75,000 rupees to the first runners-up and 50,000 rupees to the second runner-up. Winner Vanya Jawang donated 20,000 rupees as support to the orange farmers of the state. In all, 21 contestants took part in the beauty pageant. Winners of the Orange Queen contest will represent Manipur in the North-East Femina Beauty Contest. Joy Manohar Mayum bagged the Best Costume Designer prize in the contest.
I'm feeling very excited and happy too. I will look forward to it for the betterment. If there is anything they will need, the cultivated need for me. I know I'm not that wealthy woman, yet this is the first earning. This is just started. But if there is anything that they would want me to do, I will be happy and glad to do it.
Now news from the world of sports. The first Indigenous Games Festival of Manipur kicked off today at Manipur University's hockey field. Speaking at the inauguration of the festival, PHED Labour and Employment Minister I. Hemochandra Singh expressed the hope that the festival will ensure help in preservation and promotion of indigenous games of the state. He described the state as a major contributor in the field of sports in the world. The festival is jointly organized by DD Sports, DDK Imphal and Indigenous Games Association of Manipur. The inaugural day was attended by Manipur University VC, DD Sports officials, teachers and students among others. A souvenir was also released on the occasion. Mukna Kangjai, Sagol Kangjai, Thangta and other indigenous games were showcased on the first day. The festival will continue till the 12th of this month.
Manipur is not only a modern sporting powerhouse, but Manipur has always been a very ancient sporting powerhouse because sports has been in our DNA, sports has been in our culture. Manipur is the birthplace of polo, the Sagol Kamze as what we knew before, and now the modern polo. But other than that, we have so many nice, indigenous games which will probably go to every nook and corner of the country today.
Anoba Imagi Mangal Aim Khabam defeated United Sports Association Kurai by a solitary goal in the 59th Sir Churajan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. In the pre-quarter-final match played today, TH Santos of Aim Khabam scored the lone goal in penalty kick in the 29th minute of the match. In the second half, United Sports Association Kurai made many unsuccessful attempts to level the score. Aim Khabam player Suresh Rai and USA Kurai player Sadananda were awarded yellow cards in the match. The second pre-quarter-final match will be played tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. between Southern Sporting Union SSU and North Imphal Sporting Union Nisa. Football fans feel that the match between the two strong sides will be a crowd puller. In a league match of the 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament, Imphal West Veteran Cricket Club won the toss and batted first, scoring 147 runs for 9 wickets in 30 overs. In reply, Nabsakha Imphal reached the target run in 28 overs, making 150 runs for 6 wickets to win the match. Napsaka Imphal batsman L. Ratan Kumar, who took 42 runs, was declared the man of the match. 10 teams are taking part in the tournament organised by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at Langthabal Public Ground. KSC Lambolen will play champ Khagempally in the 6th league match tomorrow. KSWC Kurai Kongpal Thongam Lekai have won the 42nd State Junior Girls Kabaddi Championship. In the girls' final played at Ngasi Kongpal Students Welfare Club ground, Kurai Thongam Lekai KSWC Kurai Kongpal Thongam Lekai Trust SAN Ningthokong 34-18 to clinch the title. In boys' final, LUYC Nambol Lorembam and ALUC Angom Lekai are fighting for the title when the reports came last. Kakulong defeated Rogalong Youth Club by 1-0. RNBA Tarung Trust Namguilong Youth Club by 18-1. JU Superstar defeated Alpha Dimdailong by 2-0 and Friends Forever FC defeated KKYU Kaisamthong by 1-0 in the third Palmaipu Kamaupi Memorial Ziliarong 6-a-side men's football tournament today. Yai School Kankut 8 rounds, Singjamai Kankut 28 in the league match of the 11th Players Trophy Kang tournament played today. 9 Kankuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Yai School Kankut at Sri Sri Gopal Deva Mandav Yai School. Kalsa Kaidau Kankut will play Ibudau Wangbrain Khana Chauba Kankut Uchekon tomorrow. Neroka FC team left Imphal today to take part in the Under-18 Second Division I-League. The tournament will be held in Paljor Stadium, Gangtok from the 14th of this month. Neroka Club President Dr. T.H.W. flag off the team at Neroka Club, Sangakpham. Gangtok Himalayan Sporting Club, Aizawl Football Club and Neroka FC will play in the tournament. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. International Human Rights Day 2015 observed across Manipur today. Three-day Northeast Indigenous Peoples Parliament begins. It will deliberate on challenges faced by indigenous people. And the first Indigenous Games Festival of Manipur kicks off at Manipur University's hockey field.